Hey everyone, in this tutorial you are going to learn how to merge cells in Google Sheets. By the way, you can also have a look at an in-depth tutorial at our website mahadees.com. Link is given in the description. Now let's start. Simply drag the cells and these will be selected. Then go to this option and select. It will give you a notice that if you merge the cells, the top leftmost value will be available in the cell. Then click OK. The cells are merged. So simple. Now I will tell you another way to merge the cells. Simply select the cells and go to Format tab, Merge Cells, and then select Merge Horizontally. It will also merge the cells same as that. It will merge all the cells selected. Hence merged. And if you select in columns, it will merge vertically, hence merged. And if you select in horizontally, you will use merge horizontally. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video.